In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. You can subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. Really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is going to be on Chromia. Chromia is gaining some traction right now. There's a lot of chatter about it, and I wanted to make sure you guys knew what it was and what was going on. So I decided to share this video with you guys. Chromia is a relational blockchain platform that makes sense. They have created a platform with a technical solution that is geared for the real world. We call it a relational blockchain. Relational blockchain is all about using our knowledge and experience of combining blockchain and traditional databases, creating something that people actually can relate to in an environment that people are familiar with and in a language that everyone can learn. So I want to just go over this with you guys. The reason why it's gaining a lot of traction in the Chromia news is because Chromia has been added to the Binance Community Coin Vote Round 8. For the 8th round of the new format Community Coin Vote, we have selected Swiftcoin and Chromia as the candidates for the vote. The vote will start at May 6, 2020 at 4 a.m. for 24 hours and will close at on May 7th, 2020, 4 a.m. The number of votes each user receives will be determined by their 8-day average hourly snapshots of BNB holdings. So, and it lists what you will win of a pool of Chromia or Swiftcoin if they win the vote, right? So it's very interesting. I think Chromia will win the vote, just to let you guys know. But I think Chromia is just getting a lot of hype right now because of the vote. Chromia is also getting a lot of hype because they're doing a, I believe they did an AMA. They did an AMA with, this is their Twitter page. Chromia did an ANA with, I believe, Binance Philippines will host an AMA together with Chromia CEO and co-founder Henry Henking. All right, Chromia Way and Chromia. So that will be Binance Filipino will get an AMA. So usually before there's an AMA, there's a Binance Portuguese AMA. So usually before there's an AMA, Binance France. So they're doing all the AMAs, right? They're doing the Binance Exchange Community Vote as well. So usually when there's an AMA, there is a lot of hype around the coin, and that drives the social media marketing as well. So we're going to see a lot of hype on Chromia in the next few days. I just want to let you guys know why and why that is and what's going on with it, okay? So when you see this hype, that usually affects the price, right? So Chromia currently on CoinMarketCap is ranked 353. The current market cap is $7.9 million. The current price per coin is 2 cents. The current volume is 1.9 million. The circulating supply is 315 million coins. Total supply 417 million coins. Max supply is 1 billion coins. So at 2 cents, it's up 4% on the day. I imagine with the Binance vote, especially if it gets added to Binance, I would imagine this coin to go higher. It looks like it's already been going higher. So it's about a penny January 14th. It started to rise in April, got up to 2 cents, and now it's really rising due to the fact the Binance community vote. Currently, you can buy the coin on KuCoin. That would be my best bet to tell you. BitThumb and KuCoin, BitMax would probably be the best places to get the coin. I would suggest KuCoin, which has about 12% of the volume. Liquidity is about $53,000. But so looking into this project, I was able to do just a little bit of research, not a lot, And I've found out some really interesting things about Chromia, right? So Chromia, this is a report from BlockFi. They do good blockchain reports. I do go to them sometimes to get information about projects I don't know a lot about. So Chromia is a blockchain and a relational database. This means that decentralized applications can be written in a way that's familiar to developers all over the world, whether they work on a large enterprise applications, games, or smaller projects. So Chromia has been around for a little while, guys. Chromia was developed by Chromia, a Swedish blockchain firm that has been strongly involved in the industry since 2014. But here's what's really interesting about Chromia and Chromia. Their advisors are very impressive, right? So they have Charlie Lee as Litecoin as an advisor, Benny Lingham from Civic as an advisor, Corey Wu, ex-CTO at UBS, Yisao Chow, venture partner at FBG and co-founder of Hash, Roger Lim, NGC, Guy Corum, Intel, Boxy, and Voltaire, and Danny Yang, founder of Blockseer. And also, before Chromia was developed, so they did the AMA about a month ago, and it was said before Chromia was developed, the early stages of Chromia, Vitalik used to work for them, right? Let me see if I can find that quote here for you. But yeah, Vitalik was also working on Chromia before he went to create Ethereum, right? So, very impressive, Chromia, right? That they have Vitalik who used to work for them. Another thing about Chromia you should know is they have an impressive amount of partnerships, right? So here was a question. So why do you choose to build Chromia token on ERC20 instead of other blockchains such as BEP2, TRC20, or your own chain, while the ERC20 platform is very slow and has a case of fee? So he answers, so far Ethereum has the best infrastructure. It is the oldest and the most reliable network for tokens. It also became the industry standard which exchanges utilize. We will transfer 80% of our ERC tokens to our Chromia blockchain when it's ready for that. So they don't have a Chromia blockchain yet, but they do have a wallet. Chromia is solid. Another thing I want to say, let me just go back to the BlockFi report. I want to say one of the things they're doing, they're not trying to replace Ethereum, right? So they definitely realize that they're not going to be able to replace Ethereum. But what they're doing instead is, I just want to focus on what they're doing instead. So also, so here's some of the partnerships. So Chromia Way is the first company to have a first Western government exploring blockchain for land registry, right? And they also have a partnership with Daimler Grund Services DBGS. They also have partnered with ABT Associates and Cadeza Foundation to release the Universal Identity Hub solution. They also have a gaming partnership. And they also have a Green Assets Wallet partnerships. Chromia Way and Stockholm General Green Digital Finance launched a platform called Green Assets Wallet by providing trusted verification and validation infrastructure. The Green Assets Wallet unlocks and mobilizes huge amounts of private capital for green projects in both developing and emerging markets. And this is what I'm saying. They have a lot of impressive partnerships. As you can see, some of the listing here: Stockholm Green Digital Finance, Emerging Markets Dialogue on Finance, the Federal Ministry of Economic Corporations and Development, Cadeza, University Identity Hub. So the critical difference between Chromia and its competitors has to be adoption. Not many can claim to have pilot projects for so many organizations and governments. The winner of the blockchain race isn't necessarily who's the fastest and cheapest, but who is the most widely adopted. For us, Chromia stands out in terms of their partnerships, and it is clear to see that the team has already taken significant steps towards mass adoptions, right? So that's one thing you gotta know about them. They just have a lot of great partnerships. Another thing you should know about Chromia is, I just want to focus on one more thing here I found in the report. So this is the team. As you can see, Henry, Alex, and Orr. But I want to focus on one more thing here. So they say general opinion about Chromia. We are very optimistic that Chromia has the team and the partnerships to realize their vision. One aspect about Chromia that we really like is the fact that the team isn't positioning their platform as just another Ethereum killer. In a way that they are focusing on their strengths and strong world use cases aimed at business-oriented dApps that need to use a lot of data. if we assume that growing adoption of blockchain technology by businesses and organizations will take place in the coming years, and considering the proven track record of Chromia due to their wide range of use cases, we are convinced that the project is well positioned to capture a significant market share in terms of potential upside as an investment opportunity, considering that the market capitalization is still very low relatively. CHR is undervalued. So, and that's what they gave it as well. They gave it that. So they think CHR has some potential. I think it does too. I think the partnerships definitely put it put it in a good position. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be and over everything else, but they definitely have different partnerships that some places don't have. So they've issued euros on the Bitcoin blockchain with the LHV Bank, allowed investors to invest in startups in a wholly decentralized way, digitized the title transfer process with the Swedish Land Registry, mediated the green bond market with the SGDF. The core team created the first protocol to issue tokens already in 2012. So introduced the relational model to enterprise blockchains for the consortium database called Postchain. Now Postchain is going public at the foundation for Chromia, a better blockchain for building decentralized dApps. So this is what they've done. They have a Chromia partnership with 3 chambers of commerce in Colombia, Chromia partnership with NGC, Chromia partnership with Workman Initiative. Now, I'm not going to read all these partnerships. I want you guys to go and do your own research and read it for yourself. But, there's the link here. They're partnered with Green Assets Wallet. They've partnered with Stockholm Green Digital Finance. We've already went over that. The Taiwan Department of Land Registration, they have a partnership with GEM. They have blockchain titles in Bolivia, Peru, and Paraguay. Accessing blockchain technology for registry solutions. Austria NCH land titles on the blockchain. They partnered with Indian government for Swat land registry. They partnered with the Tech Madeira to bring consortium database to Indian market. They are building a platform in Colombia to the transparency of business registration as well. So they are partnered in a lot of ways with a lot of governments. I think like they're handling a lot of land registration registries as well. This would be one of their focuses, right? So it works for the bank, it works for the government agency, the Swedish Land Agency, as we said before. I think he said that Chromia may have a partnership with the Air Force as well, right? So here's a little picture of some of their partnerships right here, and we went over that as well. So they're a little bit ahead of a lot of blockchain projects that don't even have a mainnet, don't even have partnerships. They have those things. So they're definitely doing big things. They're already generating revenue because of the partnerships, right? So from enterprise sales, they've already generated over $850K earned this year through a series of partnerships, one of which with IABDA and many yet to be announced. So they already are doing things that. So it says here, Chromia Way will partner with Daimler to optimize their internal leasing processes with relational blockchain. Daimler Grun is a vehicle manufacturer, and Chromia Way is a blockchain pioneer company from Sweden. So this was posted on their website. Looks like they have that on the blog. So the blog Chromia Way, you could go there to check that out. So anyway, I think the community vote will pump Chromia up a little bit. I think it has potential. I think you need to do your own research as well to figure out where you want to go with this. But it definitely looks like it has potential for a pump at least. And it looks like it's going to be in the next few days. It looks like it's going to be in the news, right? So definitely keep an eye out for Chromia. I wanted to let you guys know about it. Keep an eye out for Chromia. And right now it's at 2 cents. Let's see where it goes from here, okay? Guys, thanks for following Knockout Crypto. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Don't forget to go to knockoutcrypto.com to get our insider information, our insider reports. There's information there that we don't give anybody else, so you definitely want to check it out. Alright guys, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Signing off. Comment below on the video, let me know what you think of the video and what other videos you want me to make. Alright guys, thank you for following Knockout Crypto.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.